They laughed when you were silent. They hunted you when you were weak. They forgot one thing. You are not prey. You are becoming the lion. The jungle is loud. Everyone is running. Everyone is chasing. But the lion walks slow, not because he is weak, because he knows his power. The jungle respects only strength, not noise, not excuses, not emotions. When the lion enters the field, the jungle goes quiet. Not because he roars, but because his presence speaks. Lions don't move in crowds. They don't beg for acceptance. They don't need permission to grow. The lion understands this. Not everyone can walk your path. Not everyone deserves to see your climb. Some people only know you when you are small. When you grow, they get uncomfortable. Let them. The lion doesn't explain himself to sheep. A lion hunts when he is hungry, not when he feels motivated. Hunger sharpens the teeth. Pressure builds the claws. You don't chase comfort. You hunt growth. The jungle rewards the hunter, not the one who complains about hunger. No one feeds the lion feeds himself. If you want money, hunt value. If you want respect, become dangerous with purpose. The lion is born small, weak, vulnerable, but the jungle trains him. Every scar is a lesson. Every loss is a drill. The lion doesn't cry about wounds. He learns where the danger is. Pain doesn't destroy the lion. Pain teaches the lion. Your past didn't break you. It trained you. The lion doesn't announce his hunt. He moves in silence. He strikes with precision. No noise, no validation, only work. Build in silence. Let results introduce you. The jungle doesn't care about effort. It respects outcomes. No one saves the lion when he is starving. No one carries the lion when he is tired. No one fights for the lion's territory. He stands alone. He hunts alone. He survives alone. You are the rescue. You are the backup. You are the plan. Stop waiting for support. Move with or without strength. The lion doesn't chase applause. He claims territory. He doesn't argue with hyenas. He outgrows them. He doesn't compete with the weak. He dominates his own standards. Raise your standards, not your voice. Walk away from disrespect. Distance is power. One day, you will either become a story of survival or a story of surrender. The jungle will test you. The night will scare you. The road will break you. But remember this: you were never meant to be prey. You were born to become the lion. Now walk back into the jungle, not to survive, to rule.
The lion is calm in chaos. Noise belongs to the weak. Silence belongs to power. When storms come, the lion doesn't hide. He waits. He watches. He moves when the moment is right. Timing is power. Rushing is weakness. The lion doesn't waste energy on every fight. He chooses battles that change his territory. Not every argument deserves your breath. Not every challenge deserves your attention. Save your strength. Use it when it matters. The jungle is full of hyenas. They laugh, they mock, they follow the lion, hoping to eat his leftovers. The lion doesn't chase hyenas away. He becomes so strong that they stay far on their own. Becomes so strong that disrespect keeps distance. The lion trains in hunger. He sharpens his senses in the dark. He learns the paths when others sleep. While others scroll, you sharpen. While others complain, you prepare. While others wait for luck, you build your hunt. The lion doesn't blame the jungle. He adapts to it. Blaming the world keeps you weak. Adapting makes you dangerous. You were not born into comfort. You were born into challenge. And challenge is not your enemy. It is your teacher. The lion doesn't envy other lions. He builds his own territory. Comparison kills hunger. Focus feeds power. Look forward, not sideways. The lion protects what he builds, his land, his pride, his future. Protect your time, protect your goals, protect your mind. Not everyone deserves access to your world. The lion moves forward with scars, not excuses. Scars mean you fought. Scars mean you lived. Scars mean you learned where to strike better next time. The jungle will never apologize. The night will never be fair. So become someone the jungle has to respect. You don't need to be loud. You need to be solid. Solid in action. Solid in mindset. Solid in direction. When doubt whispers, let your work answer. When fear speaks, let your steps reply. When the world tests you, stand taller. The lion doesn't beg for a throne. He builds a kingdom with his steps. Your steps today build the ground you will stand on tomorrow. Walk even when tired. Move even when unsure. The jungle rewards movement. You are not here to survive. You are here to claim your place. Move like the lion. Quiet, focused, unstoppable.
The lion wakes before the sun, not because he likes mornings, because he respects the hunt. The early silence trains the mind. The lonely road sharpens the will. When others sleep, the lion studies the land. He learns where the danger hides. He learns where the food moves. He learns where to strike. Preparation is invisible. Results are loud. The lion does not rush into noise. He moves with awareness. Every step is measured. Every move has intention. Speed without direction is chaos. Direction without speed is power waiting to be used. The lion waits, then moves with certainty. The jungle changes every season. The lion changes with it. He does not cry about old paths. He creates new ones. What worked yesterday may fail today. So learn, unlearn, adapt. The lion respects the night because darkness reveals fear. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is your signal. Listen to it, then move anyway. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is walking while fear is screaming. The lion has faced hunger. He has faced wounds. He has faced storms. Still, he walks forward. Not because the road is kind, but because stopping is death. The lion understands this truth. Comfort is a cage. Movement is freedom. The longer you stay still,
the smaller your world becomes. Move, expand your territory. The jungle will try to distract you. Noise, drama, easy pleasures. The lion does not get drunk on noise. He stays sharp. Sharp mind, sharp eyes, sharp purpose. Your environment shapes you. Choose ground that grows you. If you stay with sheep, you will learn to fear the wolves. If you walk with lions, you will learn to become one. The lion builds pressure in silence, then releases it in one strike. You don't need to show your strength every day. Save it for the moment that changes everything. The lion does not celebrate small victories loudly. He resets. He prepares for the next hunt. Stay hungry, not desperate. Hungry for growth, hungry for mastery. The jungle will test your patience. Long waits, slow progress, silent effort. Trust the process you cannot see yet. Roots grow in darkness before the tree shows strength in the sun. Your unseen work is building visible power. The lion walks through rain, through heat, through cold nights. Conditions do not decide his movement. Purpose does. Do not wait for perfect conditions. There will never be perfect conditions. Move with what you have. Build with where you are. The lion does not blame the past. He learns from the scars. Every scar is a map. Every wound is a direction. Follow the lessons, not the pain. The jungle respects consistency. Small steps every day build unstoppable force. The lion is not loud about his journey. He is serious about his destination. You don't need to explain your path. Walk it. When loneliness hits, remember this. The lion walks alone because he is building a kingdom. Temporary solitude creates permanent strength. You will be misunderstood. You will be doubted. You will be tested. Good. Pressure creates presence. Resistance creates power. Let them doubt. Let them talk. You are not here to be understood. You are here to become undeniable. The lion does not look back at the forest he crossed. He looks at the land he is about to claim. Do not live in memories. Build futures. Every step forward erases one excuse behind you. The jungle has no mercy, so build your own mercy with strength. You were not built for comfort. You were built for conquest. Not over others, over your old limits. Today, step back into the jungle, not with fear, not with noise, with calm, with focus, with fire inside. You are not prey. You are the lion, and the jungle will remember your footsteps.